In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to a Mailchimp email. We will go through two simple ways to do it inside Mailchimp. The first method is great if you only want to insert a section of HTML into an existing email design. The second method is useful if you already have a complete HTML email template and want to upload the whole thing at once. To get started, open Mailchimp and, from the menu on the left side, go to Campaigns. From there, open your email template so you can access the editor. Once you are inside the email builder, look over to the left panel and scroll until you find the code block. This block is specifically designed for adding custom HTML into your email layout. When you find it, drag and drop the code block exactly where you want it to appear on your email canvas. Placement matters here, so make sure you drop it in the correct section of your design. After that, click on the block to open the editor. Then paste your HTML code into the editor and click Save. That's all you need to do if you are only adding a custom section or snippet of HTML to an existing Mailchimp email. Now let's look at the second option, which is importing a full HTML template. Before you import anything into Mailchimp, first paste your code into a plain text editor like Notepad and save the file in .html format. This is important because Mailchimp needs the file saved correctly in order to upload it as a full template. Once your HTML file is ready, go back to the left side menu in Mailchimp, open Campaigns and then go to Email Templates. From the template options, select Code Your Own from the drop-down menu. This will open the area where you can work with custom-coded templates instead of using the standard drag-and-drop layout. Next, choose Import HTML from the template menu. Then click Add File and upload your .html file directly from your computer. After the file is uploaded, Mailchimp will use that HTML as your email template, allowing you to continue editing or preparing it for your campaign. If you are deciding between these two methods, just remember this. Use the code block when you want to add a custom HTML section inside a regular template. And use Import HTML when you want to bring in an entire custom email design. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.